The best Facebook ads that I've came across for real estate agents. Are you someone that's looking to elevate your business as a real estate agent and have tried Facebook ads or Google ads and had little to no success? Well, these new Facebook ads that me and my team have been using have been absolutely amazing because it's a double whammy. These people are looking to sell and they're also looking to buy. These are the best ads that I've ever seen in terms of getting actual listing leads, but then getting a double end out of it. And these ones are specifically targeted to a niche consumer who I think in this current soft market are going to be the only people actually looking to make real estate transactions. So you're going to want to dive in. You want to fully watch this video step by step so you set up the ads correctly. But these are going to be the difference from you having success. And the best part is you don't need a massive budget in order to crush it with these Facebook ads. Hey everyone, it's Mortlock here with the Apex Group. Can be bringing you probably the best online lead generation ad that you can run this year as the market's getting softer. So these ones are going to be tailored specifically to getting sellers, and then these people are a double ender so that they end up buying too in your market as well. And the reason why these ones work so good, especially in my market, is the average range of what we're getting from these leads in terms of the listing is going to be around $1 million. So when they end up reselling, these people are putting a massive amount of GCI. These leads will bring you a massive amount of sales volume no matter what market you're in. So let's dive into it. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up the best Facebook ads that I've came across. But if you're someone that would like to see behind the scenes on our systems and how we actually set up these ads and would like for me and my team to set up the ads for you, well, then go in the description, fill out that form. And if you seem to be a right fit for someone for us to help out with their marketing, then we'll reach out directly to you. Okay, so let's go into our Facebook ads account. If you don't know how to set all this stuff up, I have other videos on my channel on how to create a Facebook ads account and get it going. But let's create an account to be looking for leads. In the real estate game, that's the name of the game. Okay, so what we're going to call this campaign is downsizing in your area, downsizing Kelowna. The special ad category, because we are in housing, you have to fill out the special ad category, and you're going to be doing this in Canada. Campaign details, it's going to be bidding type. Campaign learning objective is going to be leads, and then the rest of this stuff you don't have to worry about. A/B testing. Advantage campaign budget. You don't want to turn that stuff on yet. Just let Facebook do the work and really learn. And this is the biggest problem I see with people who run their own Facebook ads. They need to run a million different A/B tests in order to get their ads to perform well, when really that's not the case and they end up just messing with it. Let Facebook work its magic and you'll be so surprised with how effective these are, even with a small budget. Next, let's go to the ad set. Once again, we'll call this downsizing. And you'll see exactly why these leads that are going to be making real estate transactions this year, because they're the people that have to sell. Okay, so what we're going to be wanting to do for the conversions is we want to get instant forms. So for me, I have my follow-up boss synced directly to my Facebook ad account. So people who sign up there instantly go to my follow-up boss account. And this works so well because one of our secret sauces, we make specific follow-up campaigns for every one of our niche Facebook leads. So for this downsizing campaign, we have highlighted all the major pain points that people who are looking to downsize experience, and we're just accentuate that with our ads, but then our follow-up, we really put that into practice there. What we're going to be wanting to do is maximize the number of leads, cost per result. Don't mess with that yet. Dynamic creative, no need for that. And a daily budget around $20 should be effective for you to get going. Bidding schedule, you don't want to mess with that either. Just let it do what it does. Okay, creating an audience here. So if you do have some custom audiences or people that you want to target, like we have a ton of custom audience and things that we do for retargeting. But for here, let Facebook decide what audience it should include. And even with the special ad category, you can't really target specific people that much. But when people engage with it, they will do a really good job there. So just let them decide the audience and they do a really good job. The one thing you do want to change is the location. So for this, you want to set it in your market. So I'm going to go Kelowna. Placements. This is a really important thing, is you want to choose your own manual placements. There's a few that you don't want to do. So audience network is something that you want to turn off right away. So this is feed. So Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, I always turn off. Facebook video feeds, we'll put Facebook Explore page, Instagram Explore page, Facebook Business Explore page, I always turn it off there. You're going to want it in the stories. You're going to want it in Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and then everyone else you can leave on and test it. Like I said before at the start, don't be messing with this constantly. If you do want to check and see if your cost per lead goes down or you get more bang for your buck, you can click off some of these search results here too, and then test the exact same ad and see how it goes. But that's generally the ones that we have every single time. Go to next. So name the ad set. We're going to go down, sizing. And me and my team, we've literally had so much success running this ad. It's absolutely amazing. I've never been able to find actual good seller lead generation. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars and hired other companies and done every single thing in order to generate seller leads. And this is the single best way to actually generate seller leads, is these downsizing ads. So we're going to do a single image, and let's create the media. So I'm going to pop up in here into my Canva and just talk about a few things. So one thing we really like to do is put a really nice photo. So I actually generated this image using AI, where I just told it I want a one-level home, rancher style. I even said I want a dark exterior on the photo as well. That is targeted specifically to people who are looking to downsize their home, might be interested. So I thought this one would really stick out because a lot of people who are downsizing, they still want a garage. They want one level. They want the primary bedroom on the main floor. And then we add text above. So this is how our ads do better than anyone else that does it on Facebook, is they usually just have an image and they have no call to action text on here. So one level living, that is what every person downsizing is shooting for. They want to be able to live on one level, and then they want the master bedroom on the main floor. They don't want in two stairs. But if you're in this image here, literally took me less than 5 minutes to create. The whole entire ad and image took me little to no time. Yes, I made a few iterations of it and tested it a few different ways, as you can see, and backgrounds, but the power of AI is upon us. So if you're not buying in, you're going to be wasting a ton of time. So if you're someone that wants to see exactly all the high level tools that I use to grow my real estate business with AI, well, just go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and shoot me a DM that you want access to our community to be part of the AI. You want to learn more about AI, and I will show you exactly what tools I'm using. Okay, so you download this image. We're going to add media. Upload. This image here absolutely pounded. We're getting like around $3 leads, which is crazy when you're thinking of it, because these people are a double whammy in my market where they all had over $1 million homes to sell. So just from these ads alone, like we're looking at potentially making $40,000 on any person that we end up converting from this and have converted. Okay, so one level living, I always keep original size there. Go to next. As you can see, that's really going to stick out and pop. The dark background, we tested a few different backgrounds where we used the same image and used the same wording. And this one was the one that best. So that's when I mean A/B testing. We're testing like one thing where we test a light sky, then a dark sky, and then we find which one works the best. Then we'll test different words, but we're not wanting to do this a lot. So this is something that we put in and test. So you want a couple emojis, looking to downsize. Check out the list of homes that has the primary bedroom on the main floor. Click below to view the homes. When you're writing this ad copy, you want to keep it really short and sweet. I don't know how many Facebook ads I see where they just got an atrocious amount of characters in there. Tell them exactly what they're going to get and then deliver on it. So then headline, list of downsized homes. Hey, so the types of forms is you can do more volume or higher intent. For this one, starting off, I would say let's do more volume. Just because we do have this sync to our follow-up boss, the people come directly in there and they're super easy to work. So use the image from our ad, and we can add some short headlines here. So here's where I like to get a little cheeky and say something a little bit different. Sick of doing stairs. So once again, we're highlighting main pain points of people that are potentially going to do this. This is where Facebook is amazing, because I know everyone complains that your grandma, your grandparents, and everyone's on there. That's why these downsizing ads work so good. So get a little cheeky and play off what are the major pain points are going to be. We have some really funny follow-up images in our action plans of like seniors riding those chair lifts going up the stairs. and just trying to get more people to engage. And so this is the standard SquarePants realtor that doesn't have any personality. So let's go sick of doing stairs here, and then description. We can finally help you downsize your. I like saying this early on because I want to let people know that I can help them achieve what they're wanting to do. Sick of doing stairs, we can finally help you downsize your home. Questions in here. So what you're going to want to do is name, email, phone number. Go to privacy. So once again, on your website there, you're going to have your privacy policy. And then we want to go to view website for this. And here, custom list of downsize homes here. Click the link. So what I did is I'll refine my search. So go to my website. One thing I can't stress enough too is having the right website for people to search on. So Real Geeks, I found is absolutely amazing. The feedback we got from all the people that use our website in terms of the people that we transacted with and go through this, that Real Geeks was the easiest to use. So if you're using a clunky website, this is probably going to hinder your lead generation on doing Facebook ads. So what I want to do is set Kelowna here, homes, $700 to $1 million, rancher style, and go search. You can go highest. I typically go newest just to keep it relevant. And then I will copy that and go back to my ads and paste the link. Okay, so our ads created. The tracking here, so you want to set this up. We have this linked exactly to our CRM, right to our websites. We're able to retarget them, then hit publish. So that is the step-by-step on how to set up those downsizer ads on Facebook. I believe this could be the secret to any real estate agent actually having success this next year in a softer market. The people who are going to transact when interest rates are high and the market's not doing good are the people that need to sell. So in a lot of times, people downsizing their home, they have a health reason or some sort of family problem that's coming up where they do have to sell these homes. So why not you be the person that can assist them during this very difficult time? And running these downsizing Facebook ads is the best way for you to generate listing leads. Our team's had amazing success doing this, and I would love to hear other people who end up applying this and how it works. But if you're someone that wants us to set up your Facebook ads and want to see our systems and our follow-up procedures that we use in order to execute this on a high level, go to the description, fill out that form, and we'll reach out to you if you end up being a right fit.